people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So today, if you want to see how I came about this look, please stay tuned, and me, your girl, I shall see you on the next.
That I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Right now I'm just brushing my eyebrows, then I'll go in with my concealer. Next step that I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'll be using that as my foundation for today. So just stay tuned and listen to music. Go in with my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend that concealer on my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So this is the palette I'll be using for today. Highlight my face, underneath my eyes, at the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and I'm going for ombre lips. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, and this is the palette I'll be using for contouring my face. in with this my blush palette, and I'm going to blush myself out. I'm going to go in with my gold bronze, and I just like to glow, so I need to glow. To go in with my setting spray so that I can lock my makeup. This is the wig I'll be using for today. It looks so terrible, so I need to just cut it off. So I'll do that out of camera, so I'll come back and show you how it stays. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial, so this is the final look as you can see. So just let me know what you think about this look. I was not sure what to do, but this is how I managed to do my wig, and I love the way how my makeup came out. I love how my blue-eyed wing came out. I was not really sure which makeup to go for, but yeah, I think I'm excited how everything came out. And for my hair, I just did a quick thing to cut it off like that. So yes guys, this is how I look. So just let me know in the comment section below what you think about my look and what you think about the hair. Thank you very much for the love and the support that you've been giving me. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So this girl has to bounce. I shall see you again on my next video. Ciao, bye, love you guys.